Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change size of video in Shotcut. I will share with you one simple method. We need to use filters to do it. So first we need to select our video, and after that we need to go to filters. Then you need to find this one button, the button with a plus. It will let you to add a new filter. So I click here, and on search bar I need to type size. Then I select this one filter, size, position and rotate. And now you have two options to change size. First one is type here a special value, and here you have two options to change size. First one is based on value that you will type. For example, I will type here 1000, and then size will be successfully changed here. The second option is manually change. You can change the dimensions of this video here, maybe something like that. In this way you can easily increase or decrease size of your video. And of course, if you change it, you will see here implemented values. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to check links in description.